how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Kleavor from Pokemon. It's a kind of a new evolution, and that's pretty much it, okay? It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. So let's get started. Before we do, if you want to feel... basically, if you like art and you like being able to draw the characters that you want, I'm going to have a lesson all the time. And, hit that subscribe button. When you subscribe, it's going to let you know when I post a video, and it's most likely going to be something you might want to draw as well. Everything's aimed at beginners, so that's pretty much it. So let's get started, okay? Whew. Ooh, also hit the like button if you like Pokemon, because that's really going to let me know if I'm going to draw more Pokemon on the channel, okay? Okay, so let's jump into this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw. So Kleavor's got this big axe for hands. So first thing I'm going to go into his face. His face is going to have like a V shape to the front. Kind of like that shape. Pull down on the side there. Pull down the side here. Pull down to the middle. Out. Line here, line here. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with this one of his left eyes. Pull in. Go over here on the right. Pull in for the other eye. Little line right here for the eyes. Go right here to the front. Pull out a little bit. Curve down. Curve down the side of the eyes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out over here. A spike, essentially. And here on this side, pull out on the other side for a spike. From the inside in, a little bit of a spike in. And on this side as well, a little bit of a spike on the other side. Down here, goes down to a V, pulls back up. Go over here, and I'm going to pull 3 spikes at the bottom. It's almost like a little, like, I don't know how to say it, like a little spiky beard or something. 2, 3, and then go back up. Right on. I'm going to curve over here for the top of the head. Curve over here for the top of the head on this side. And I'm going to draw the middle part. Curve line here. Let's curve. It's going to be sitting on the head. Pulling up, up, out, down, curve, down. All right. Got that. And let's draw his body. Line over here for kind of the shoulder area. And line over here on this side. Excuse me. I didn't sleep that well last night. Gonna go over here, line down. And I'm gonna draw like a starfish type thing going on. Like so. It's gonna be like a star. Don't really know how many edges. It's not really a big deal, honestly. Okay. Gonna curve. Well, not quite yet. I'm gonna draw the arm here. It's kind of more like a stick. Pulling out, out for one stick. And then pulling out over here for the other. Curve that line there, close it off. Pull a curved line here for the joint of the arm. And I'm going to draw a zigzag here on the inside to kind of make up for that. And I'm going to continue, maybe one more spike on the outside there. Okay, let's go back to the center of the body. I'm going to go on this side as well. Gonna draw a zigzag for this side. Curve underneath for the middle of the body. And I'm gonna go up here. Right on. Go over here, the ball socket joint, that is the arm. Pull it, close it off. Down over here for that arm joint, that first one. Far side, we're gonna draw that second joint. Let's finish the middle of the body before we go on to the arms, okay? Gonna go over here, really tiny torso. Like so. Curve over here. Line over here for the bottom of the torso. Curve it in a little bit, curve it in. Down, up. All right. Curve here. Curve here for the joint. That's going to attach the leg to the torso there, to the pelvis. Out over here for the top part of the leg, which kind of looks like a arrowhead or something. Like so. Thin part for this part of the leg. And curve in. I love Pokemon, by the way. I'm a huge, pretty decent fan. If you like Pokemon, hit that like, by the way. I'm just really big on Pokemon. Line over here, down over here for the foot. And there's going to be two, like, nails in the foot, right? Here, down. Nail over here, right? Pretty simple foot, I think. As far as just the general shape goes, you know, it looks like he's kind of made of rocks. Curve on here for the waist. And let's go into the axe hands, which is why it's called Kleavor. At the top, it's going to have this sort of shape. Curve back. Over here. Line over here. Line down. Over here for the other Kleavor hand, right? So the other axe hand. Same thing. We have the wood part at the top here, or what's going to look like a wood part. It's really just part of his hand. Down over here. Up. Over here. All right. And that's pretty much it. That's Kleavor. There's a couple of things you can do to add on. I know he has like a bit of a spike here in his back. I'll throw that in there. But that's it. Like I said, if you're a big Pokemon fan, like I said, definitely share this with somebody that you think will enjoy it. And don't forget to check out the description for all the cool stuff. See you later.